Every day, millions of students in classrooms and lecture halls across the globe suffer from a problem. They don't have any idea what their teacher is talking about. Likewise, teachers are going mad because they don't understand why their students are so lazy and disinterested. Gerald Belcher said, "The best education is not given to students, it is drawn out of them." This quote highlights the idea that teacher instruction must be student-driven and solve what Dr. Diane Lawson Freeman calls the inert knowledge problem. Steve Krashen has pleaded with academia for decades that learners need inputs that are understandable and compelling. These inputs must be contextual, which is the basis of attracting learners' attention. Dave Hopkins, English language specialist, United States State Department, and author, defines context as the situation the learner understands. If teachers fail to provide context, they are, in essence, providing inappropriate language to their students during lessons. From a neuroscience perspective, your student's amygdala wants to know what's in it for me. If you're not able to demonstrate and satisfy the curiosity and narcissism of your student's amygdala, you will have classroom management issues, or worse, low student performance. Understanding what motivates learners is the key to student academic achievement and the foundation of building curriculum that focuses on student needs that in turn solve student problems, which increases motivation and plants the seeds for lifelong learning. Great thinkers such as Immanuel Kant, Horace Mann, Albert Einstein all believe that the learning experience should be one that is student-selected and self-referential. So what does this all mean for educators? It means that teachers must be committed to the concept of completing continuous needs analysis to build curriculum, plan, and assess learning. Needs analysis is a mindset more than it is an act. It is a commitment to collecting and aggregating data to improve instructional delivery and practices. The teacher who learner profiles is a reflective teacher, dedicated to the individual and collective needs of their learners. The reflective teacher is a teacher whose actions are informed by data. The data-driven teacher is a teacher who can effectively differentiate instruction. The teacher who can differentiate instruction is a teacher who can promote higher order thinking through problem-based learning and collaborative approaches. The teacher who has a needs analysis mindset is dynamic. So how do teachers get a needs analysis mindset? I'm glad you asked. PASS. Yes, the PASS app guides teachers step by step from training to planning to implementation and reflection to develop the dynamic teacher. PASS, Profiling for Academic Student Success, is designed by teachers for teachers to solve the problems teachers are actually having in their classrooms. Every educator wants the best for their students. Renowned educational researcher John Hattie's annual Visible Learning findings consistently report collective teacher advocacy as a critical teaching act that supports student achievement. We can all learn and support each other in an effort so we can facilitate the best learning experiences for our students. Let's help our students pass with PASS.